We're going to learn how to set up metrics with Kubernetes Studios and Prometheus. Okay, so let's open a cluster. We open the cluster and the first thing that we see is that we don't have Prometheus installed. So what we need to be able to do is to install Prometheus, and what we're going to do is to click on the terminal and we're going to use Helm and a Helm chart to be able to install Prometheus. Okay, so let's install Prometheus. The good thing with the Kubernetes Studio is that we're going to be able to see how Prometheus get deployed, and we're going to be able to monitor the different status of the different pods. Okay, now that every single pod is running and it's in green, we're going to be able to proceed connecting Kubernetes Studios with the Prometheus server. The Prometheus server that is hosting and connecting to the deployment is Prometheus server, and it is running in port 80. So what we need to do is to go to our settings in the metrics and be able to tell Kubernetes Studios what is the namespace, in this case is default, what is the service name, that is Prometheus server, and what is the port that this service is running on. So once we do that and we set it up, this page saves automatically. So now we have Kubernetes Studio set up with Prometheus, and to be able to see any graphic, the only thing that we need to do is to choose any deployment, and we're gonna be able to start seeing data. Right now we don't have much metric data because we don't have too many data points. So if we wait a little bit, we're gonna be able to see how this chart start populating. Okay, so let's wait a little bit. Okay, and now we can see how with more data points we can obviously have a better graphics and understand better our metrics. And that's it. Thank you for watching.